is that fine for you? I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And today's video, if you can tell by the title, is a day in our lives. Isn't that right, Brittany? So it's currently like 7 a.m. Friday, January the 5th, I believe. I start break nurse. Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Huh?
Anyways, I start back nursing school Monday, January the 8th. Start my 6th semester of nursing school. Really excited. I have a test to take Monday though when I get back. And today, I mean, we just have a lot of catching up to do. I haven't been on YouTube in a while. So we have a lot of catching up to do. If you could tell, I'm in a new space. Because we bought a house. So, I don't have any moving videos because it was a hot mess. I moved most of everything in like a day. And I just haven't been back to moving anything since. But I might film this weekend because we're going to go get all of our other stuff out of the house this weekend. So I might film that. Huh?
Show me a father.
Show you a what?
A father.
A spider.
Show me.
Show you a spider.
No, not this. With your phone.
With my phone.
Yes, not this. It's a father.
Well, I'm about to go get up, make us some food.
Have food for me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make us some food. And we're gonna get our day started. I know for a fact that I want to clean this guest room out. No fruit snacks, it's too early. No fruit snacks, it's too early. I know for a fact that I want to clean the guest room out. Just because we have some more stuff to go. So I'll catch y'all back up when I'm cooking.
Get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these. Look at her. Look at her, mama. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the wood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitchin'.
Okay, so I haven't talked to y'all since this morning. Honestly, why? Because my mom came over, because she said she just wanted to get out of the house. So she came over to my house and we chilled. She helped me clean up a bit. Didn't do everything that I wanted to do, but I make sure that I include that in tomorrow's clip. So instead of a day in my life, this is turned into a weekend in my life. Just because, like I said, we just moved into a new house, so we still have some shopping to do. Just to buy some things to go in the house, because we don't have trash cans. Well, we have a trash can in the kitchen that came from my old house, but I want to throw that away and buy a new one. And we need just more stuff to go in the house. We need curtains, all that stuff. So I definitely take y'all along with us when we go shopping tomorrow. But that's about it. I'm about to hop in the shower and then call it night. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. Peyton has gone to her grandmother's house, and now we're about to go and do a little bit of decor shopping, house shopping. I'm gonna bring y'all along with, and I'm gonna show you me straightening Peyton's room and just getting it together, So we're about to get ready to go to a few stores, and I'll see y'all soon. Who's that? Oh, a blankets. See? And this is why we not cool. Oh, look at these curtains. That's kind of cute. You can go living room. So we just got back from the store, so I thought I'd give y'all a little haul of what we bought. Go away. So we got these bath mats for the guest bathroom. Oops. I have a bath rug. We have got 2 black bath rugs for our bathroom. And then we have this cream one as well as this purple one for Paige's bathroom because her towels are purple. And I can find a purple one like the performance rug. So and we have this trash can for Paige's bathroom. Got a bunch of random stuff. Paige has a purple loofah on thing. We have this gray soap dispenser and toothbrush holder for the bathroom. We bought sweets. We got Paige some gloves and some hats. We bought this Myers hand soap refill. I don't know. I didn't pick it out, but we're here. We got these cheesecake cups. Can't wait to eat it. Can't wait to eat Stevie's. Got me so good. We got a cake pan. We got chicken wings. A pizza dish, which we didn't even use. I just put the pizza on the rack inside the oven. So we bought a pizza too. And then we went to Family Dollar and we got stuff. We got oven mitts because we didn't have any. We got the little pad things to sit the pots on. The drying towels for when I take stuff out of the dishwasher. More dish rags. Matches. We also bought the drain things to go in the sink. A strainer, because didn't have any strainer either. Tongs. Potato peeler. New kitchen scissors because ours broke. And I also got more pans. So I got a covered cake pan. It has a lid to go to it. Muffin tins because we didn't have any muffin tins. A liquid measurer. And I think that's it. Oh, a lot of pizza color. Yeah. So that's the haul. I see y'all when I start putting this stuff up and I eat. Yeah. Okay, so I just organized, well, not organized, I just cleaned the guest bathroom, and now I'm gonna clean Peyton's bathroom. This mirror, these mirrors, both definitely need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna do that, wipe these countertops off because they look a mess. It's nothing on that towel but meatball sauce that I couldn't get out. And then we're gonna come in her actual bathroom and clean out her tub and clean her toilet and then put all her little accessories down and sweep them off. So I'm gonna film myself doing that since I filmed the guest bathroom for TikTok. So we're gonna film this one for YouTube.
In these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrong.